All right, guys. So we are going to be reviewing contractions today. All right. So let's look at what are contractions. I'm going to make myself a little bit bigger. Okay. What are contractions? Whoop, maybe I shouldn't have. Contractions are formed. So they're a word that's formed when we combine two other words using an apostrophe. Remember? And we know that an apostrophe is like that floating cloud, the floating comma in the air. Okay? Most of the time, we leave all the letters from the first word in our word, and then we remove letters from the second word, and we replace those with the apostrophe. Okay? So whatever letters come out are the word is where the apostrophe is going to go. All right? But which letters do we leave out? All right? We're going to look at three of the most common contractions. Okay? The first word that is the most common to make a contraction with is the word not. Okay? When I'm making a contraction with the word not, which letter do I leave out? Let's see. We are going to leave out the O. It looks kind of like it's still there, but that's a no sign, like no way. All right, so if we make a contraction using the word not, we're going to leave out the O and we're going to keep the N and the T. So let's look at an example. Now, I shouldn't have used this one first, but I did because this is one of the most common words you're going to see. Can not. When I put those two words together, can not, we make the contraction can't. Okay, now in this word and this word only, we take out the N as well. So we see that we have C-A-N, and then we have the apostrophe where those two letters are missing, and then our T. So C-A-N apostrophe T makes the can't. Did not. We push them together, and do you see the O is missing, so we put the apostrophe right there. Okay? So can not, can't, did not, didn't. All right? What about when I use the word will? Which letters do I leave out of the contractions made with the word will? All right, let's see. W-I. Okay? So if we have he will, we're going to take out this W-I and we're going to put an apostrophe there and smush them together. So he will becomes heal. They will, see, we still kept the word they, T-H-E-Y, apostrophe L-L. Okay? What about the word have? If I make a contraction using the word have, we're going to take out the letters H-A and we'll be left with V-E. So where the H-A should have been, we're going to put the apostrophe. So should have, we kept the whole word should, took out the H-A, put the apostrophe there, and there's our V-E. We have, weave. Weave. Very good. All right. Now, let's spell some words. All right. Here we go. All right. The first word is didn't. Didn't. We didn't want the day to be over. Didn't. 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 Word number 2. Wheel. Not like the wheel on a car, but we will. Wheel. We'll go to lunch in about 10 minutes. Wheel. Wheel. All right. Word number 3. Can't. Remember, we just talked about this word, can't. I can't play today because I'm in trouble. Can't. 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 All right, word number 4. Could've. Could've. I could have gone with you yesterday. Could've. That's your contraction of could have. Could've. Could've. Number 5, she'll. She'll. She'll be back at school tomorrow. She'll. She'll. All right, and word number 6, we've. We've. We've been practicing this all year. We've. 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 All right, let's check to see if we did. Didn't. D-I-D-N apostrophe T. Remember, it's not correct if the apostrophe is not there. Wheel. W-E apostrophe L-L. Wheel. Can't. C-A-N apostrophe T. Can't. Could've. That's a red word. Could, and then could've. C-O-U-L-D apostrophe V-E. Could've. She'll. S-H-E apostrophe L-L. Remember, that apostrophe really counts because if we didn't have the apostrophe, the word would be shell and not she'll. So it has a totally different meaning. And our last word was weave. W-E apostrophe V-E. Weave. Very good. All right, let's move on to our sentence. Here we go. Remember, listen to the sentence first, and then we'll break it down into fragments. Here we go. The picture shouldn't show a ring around the boat. The picture shouldn't show a ring around the boat. The picture shouldn't show a ring around the boat. Around the boat. The picture shouldn't show a ring around the boat. Okay, let's check it. The picture, here we go, picture, that's a red word. Shouldn't, should is a red word. Here's your contraction, in apostrophe T, where that O should have been. The picture shouldn't show a ring around the boat. Around, here's your other red word. All right, let's practice those red words. Here we go. Went, still, ask, where, from, why, think, give, know, would, always, over, sentence, should, around, follow, away, different, because, another, letter, place, before, picture, mother, green, many, again, study, answer. Good job, guys. You are done with phonics lessons.